Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best ride-on toys in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best ride-on toys. You can check out the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Little Tikes Cozy Coupe 30th Anniversary Car. You'd be hard-pressed to find a household with children that don't have this classic toy at home. For 30 years this car has been delighting children with its easy-to-maneuver style and open and closed doors. This toy will have them racing around the backyard with their feet. Think Fred Flintstone. It also has storage space for bottles, cups, and snacks and is easy to wipe down and clean when messes happen. And don't think this will only be fun for little ones. As your child grows up, they'll still get a kick out of rolling and pushing this car around. Users warned that assembly can be difficult, so be sure to read all of the instructions fully before beginning. Luckily, after it is assembled, this high-quality toy will last for years. In case of dirt or mud, simply wipe down the plastic toy to have it looking like new. Number 2. Fisher-Price Bounce and Spin Puppy. Safety is a big concern for parents when considering what ride-on toy, if right for their child. This stationary option, if perfect for nervous parents. Bouncing kiddos stay in one place without risk of riding out of eyeshot, and the sturdy frame and high quality ensure the structure stays still. Babies and toddlers will love jumping and spinning on the adorable puppy without any batteries required. Number 3. Perego John Deere Ground Force Tractor with Trailer. Take outdoor fun to the next level with the splurge-worthy ride-on toy made for work in the land. Best for kids from 3 to 7 years old, they'll have a blast driving the John Deere tractor with the full-size detachable trailer. The tractor moves at 2 speeds, 2.5 or 5 miles per hour, plus reverse. Don't worry about your child zooming full speed before they're ready, as the parental controls can block the faster speed. A rechargeable 12-volt battery is required and included, along with a charger. Weighing in at 43 pounds, this is a large toy that requires outdoor space for storage. Number 4. Best Choice Products Kids 12V Ride-on Truck. Wow the whole neighborhood with your kid's very own ride-on truck. Kids drive the truck manually, or parents control the remote-controlled device to safely guide your driver. The remote has forward, reverse, and speed selection controls. The maximum weight capacity is 65 pounds, so your big kid will ride with an adjustable seatbelt, bright LED lights, and a 12-volt motor with 3 speed options. Max speed is 3.7 miles per hour, and the big car comes with a charger and rechargeable battery. Number 5. Power Wheels Dune Racer. Featuring extra-wide tires and a low-profile design, this mean machine is ready for tons of fun. The 2-seater Dune Racer has a max weight capacity of 130 pounds and can zoom over hard surfaces, wet grass, or anywhere else. Made with a sturdy steel frame, the racer drives 2.5 and 5 miles per hour forward and 2.5 miles per hour in reverse. The parent-controlled high-speed lockout keeps younger kids safe. A hidden storage compartment under the hood stores all your Dune Racer accessories.